Hello.
Is that your drone?
It is, yeah.
Okay. You're not taking anything of the house, are you?
Well, I've been all around the area, so.
Who are you doing it for?
Myself. I've got a YouTube channel, so.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just from a security point of view.
Nice to meet you anyway. Yeah, I know you are. So I watch Formula 1.
Okay.
So I'm not a big fan of Red Bull, by the way, but
That's all right.
Mercedes, but
That's all right.
it's nice to meet you anyway.
Yeah, yeah.
No, I'm just getting to church now, and as you can see, it's really blur. The sun is just absolutely rubbish.
Yeah.
At the minute.
Yeah. There you go.
So
That's
it's
such
just
impressive pieces of kit. And just from a security point of view, I'm just don't really want anything online of our place if possible.
Right. Okay.
You know.
Yeah. I can use this as personal.
I don't
personal
want
data.
burglars.
No. There's a lot. Sorry, I got me.
That's all right. Don't worry.
These are prescriptions.
Yeah.
I don't normally take them off, like, you know, but no, I got loads of footage where I don't put it online, and you know, obviously because people have come out and said, look, don't put it online for certain reasons, and you know, which I understand, you know. Yeah. And I know that you live here. Yeah, exactly. And I know you're married to Jerry. Yeah. So I thought it'd be interesting to come and do the area. Yeah. Because I like churches. If you watch my channel, I like churches.
This is beautiful.
It is a nice church.
Yeah. Nice piece.
As you can see, it's right up there.
How long can you leave them up for?
At the minute, I've got 67% left. Wow. Just there. Yeah. So 66%. So it's about half an hour or so.
You don't do anything for media or anything like that?
No. No. I don't do that. I'm not into media and stuff.
Yeah.
Does my head in media. I don't even watch the news, to tell you the truth.
Can you bring it across our place and have a look?
Yeah. Where are we? I'm spinning it around.
There's the church.
There's the church.
There's the lake.
Is that your lake?
No, that belongs to them over there. Okay. That's the field on the road, so we're going to come over. That's us here.
Just there. That's your house.
That's
As you can see, it's so.
Is it because it's so bright?
Because the sun's out, and it just. Yeah. I mean, I can edit that. That's not a problem. Sorry, I just knocked me on mirror. I can edit that. That's not a problem. Yeah. You know, but like you say, if you don't want it online, that's fair enough. I just put it as personal date. You know, that's all right. I do. I mean, I've got no end of stuff, like I said. You know, so.
Yeah. No, we've had a couple of people try and break in a couple of times. So
I understand.
Make it
any
easier for them.
Yeah, that's all right.
Very good. Anyway, nice to meet you.
And you. My name's Richard, by the way. Richard. Old Codger, living, as in without the G, the dream. That's my channel if you want to.
Old Codger, living the dream.
Yeah, if you want to.
Where are you from?
Yeah. Me, I'm from Warwickshire.
Okay.
I'm on the way. I'm on the way near Stratford. Okay. I'm on the way to Milton Keynes to my grandson's 2-year-old birthday party. So. Cool. Yeah.
All right. Nice to see you.
All right. No problem. Sorry about flying it over.
Sometimes Daily Mail have done it. That's the only thing.
Yeah.